One UI 8.5 just hit US Galaxy phones. Samsung has officially started rolling out the stable One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy S24 FE, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Galaxy Z Flip 6 in the United States. After making its debut in South Korea earlier this week, the stable One UI 8.5 rollout is now rapidly expanding to more regions, with US Galaxy users finally starting to receive the major software update. Samsung also appears to be moving much faster this time compared to previous major One UI rollouts. The company completed the initial Korean rollout first, and shortly after that, the US deployment officially began. Here are the firmware versions currently associated with the US rollout: Galaxy S24 Ultra, S900 28USQU5DZDR, Galaxy S24 FE, S700 21USQU-BDZDP, Galaxy Z Fold 6, F900 56USQU3DZDQ, Galaxy Z Flip 6, F700 41USQU3DZDP. The update is currently rolling out in phases for carrier-locked models, which means availability may still vary depending on your carrier, region, and device model. If you own one of these eligible Galaxy devices in the United States, you can manually check for the update by heading over to Settings, then Software Update, and tapping Download and Install. Samsung is also expected to expand the stable One UI 8.5 rollout to many more Galaxy devices over the next few weeks, including older flagship phones and selected Galaxy A series models. With the rollout now officially live in both Korea and the United States, global availability for additional regions and devices should continue expanding very quickly. That's it for today. What's your thoughts? And let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.